Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel travelav. I am Vicky from India. Pleasure to meet you all. This is the second part of the Zurich tour featuring Old Town Zurich with Boat Cruise and a lovely stroll along the shores takes you to the Lindt Home of Chocolate. In the previous video, we explored the Zurich top sites with the Hop and Hopper bus. Click the I button above to watch it. For more exciting videos on Switzerland, France and the Netherlands, check out my playlist or the links in the description. We Indians have some kind of superstition about cat. If it is going in front of us, then it may be good or bad for us.
Oh, really? With us, it's only black cats, and only on Fridays.
Oh, so you know that.
They're only black cats.
Okay, so you people have the same kind of superstition?
Absolutely.
Okay. Before we begin, don't forget to like, subscribe and support the channel. Don't miss a moment of this video. It's about to get really exciting. After deboarding the bus, we have just arrived Zurich Old Town and due to a sudden rain, we are using the umbrella and raincoat. In Switzerland, weather can change quickly, so it's best to carry your own. Umbrella here can be quite expensive. The tour is booked through the Best of Switzerland Tours and the website links are provided in the description box below. This is a fully guided tour by an English speaking guide.
We formed the church in the 16th century. And here on the left, we have the women's church. It was founded by Ludwig the German. He needed a place to park his two daughters somewhere before they got married. And then he thought it would be a good idea to found a women's convent. Today it's a place for pilgrims, not religious, but art pilgrims on account of the famous stained glass windows that Marc Chagall made in 1970. He was one of the most outstanding artists of the 20th century, Marc Chagall, and he made 6 windows in this church.
Next, we are heading towards Hotel Storchen and the views along the Lake Zurich shore are absolutely mesmerizing.
They chose that according to an Italian model built at the end of the 17th century. And this hotel that you're standing under now is definitely the oldest hotel in town because in the 1400s there was a court case and the owner of that hotel took him to court. He said whenever anyone approached his hotel, he persuaded them to stay at his place. And from those court files, we know it goes back to the 15th century, the 1400s. And in our National Museum, we have very old paintings, and there's always a sheet hanging out of the window. This building is absolutely designed, but you spend the night somewhere. The long machine out of the window. And maybe you think it's a kind of expensive, then the good news is 2 things are free of charge. One thing is mineral water, so you just buy mineral water once. We have 1,200 fountains, and it's all impeccable drinking water. Just for example, here there's a fountain, and the other thing that is free of charge is the air. And the Romans didn't have any big buildings or theaters, but yet the occasional bar. And from those bars we have some remainings, which we will now go and have a look at together. Please follow me.
If you found this video informative, please like it and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. If you have any question about your journey, feel free to ask in the comment. We are walking towards Zunfthaus zur Mason and the Winstel Church in the Lindenhof quarter.
Forbidden, and in the middle of the 19th century, they came back to life, and today they exist again, and this is the guild house of the wine merchants. This is the most prestigious guild that we have, and the only Rococo building in town. Rococo was the last phase of the Baroque age. And Winston Churchill made his famous speech here in 1946, Europe Arise. It was the first time Europe was addressed like one nation. And once a year, these guilds come into the public. Always in April, they make a big spring. Do you have any questions? Good, then please follow me.
Stay tuned. Up next, we will enjoy a scenic boat cruise on Lake Zurich followed by a delightful stroll along the shore leading to the iconic Lindt Home of Chocolate.
Good, so this is how you evaluate your ticket. This ticket here, this only concerns people with blue stickers. Yeah, thank you very much for joining us. That's pretty cool. Your boat is at one here when on the clear.
Now I am scanning my ticket for the Lake Zurich boat cruise tour. Everything is well organized and smooth. The view of the lake from here is already breathtaking. The 30-minute cruise is a part of Zurich City Tour package, and trust me, it's worth every second. We are just about to board the boat.
So we get on the boat here and we meet again at the door where we go in at 12:55. 12:55, okay? Yeah, and you can go upstairs, you can go anywhere on the boat. I suggest not ordering a meal, they're all a bit slow.
But I'm hungry.
You'll see lots of chocolate.
Well, we have to shop
Chocolate for lunch, Craig.
Oh, I have to suffer.
Make it lunch and dinner.
Have some.
No, I'm joking.
Right.
I'm good.
It's a calm and peaceful ride, great for soaking in the beauty of the Zurich from the water. It's time to hop on the boat. Let's step inside, explore what the cruise looks like from the inside. The boat is clean, comfortable and offers both indoor and outdoor seating, which is perfect for any weather. The Lake Zurich is surrounded by charming villages, rolling hills and some incredible lakefront homes. I have taken my seat in the outdoor area of the boat and the views is absolutely stunning. Cool breeze and gentle waves and the reflection on the lake create a dreamy atmosphere, perfect for couples, family or solo travelers. Everyone finds something magical here. As we move away from the dock, you will notice the stunning blend of city and nature. The beautiful lakefront villas and green hills come into the view. It's like something straight out of a painting. It's also a great photo spot, so don't forget to take a few shots for your memories. You can see the clear water stretching out ahead with the city skyline in the background. The gentle breeze, open sky and the sound of water. This is truly the best spot to enjoy the ride. Zurich really knows how to balance the nature and city life. Every corner looks peaceful and well kept. It's time to disembark from the cruise, but don't go anywhere. Up next, we will taking a charming stroll along the lakeshore, leading to the iconic Lindt Home of Chocolate, a perfect sweet ending to our Zurich adventure.
Good. So it looks as everyone got up now. Now this bus continues this direction and then it turns round. It's a total tour of about 1 hour and a half and we now have 20 minutes. And if you feel like continuing the tour, so to say, you can get on here, always at the full hour, and then you would be on the bus for about another hour. And it goes back to the main port. Maybe you just feel like going back to Zurich quickly by boat. Then about 2 minutes, in about 2 minutes time, other boat comes and goes this direction. And that's at the same time about 20 minutes, 25 minutes. So you can come back by boat, either a long boat ride or a short boat ride. And it's got something to do with zones. If you take the long boat ride, you can't get off in one of the villages. You just have to stay on the boat. That's got something to do with the zones. So is this here? You have two possibilities, a long boat ride or a short boat ride. Or you can go back by bus and I'll show you afterwards where the bus drives. You can come back with me. When I say bus, I mean public bus. Or you can come back by yourselves and I'll show you afterwards where that is. And please follow me, we're going to the museum now.
We are now heading along the picturesque lakeshore for a 15-minute walk to the Lindt Home of Chocolate, where a delightful treat awaits, free chocolate sample included. We Indians have some kind of superstition about cat. If it is going in front of us, then it may be good or bad for us.
Oh, really? With us, it's only black cats, and only on Fridays.
Oh, so you know that.
They're only black cats.
Okay, so you people have the same kind of superstition?
Absolutely.
Okay, so it's acceptable superstition in all over the world.
Of course.
As we walking on the bridge, every magical steps reveals a picture-perfect moment and offers a truly mesmerizing scenic experience.
I'm sure you travelled a lot.
Yeah,
Are you travelling a long time now?
yeah.
Where are you travelling?
Before the Switzerland, I went to Paris, and before that, I was in Amsterdam.
Ah, yeah. Many people in Paris, huh?
Yeah, but the people usually saying that there is a too much pickpocket in Paris, but I don't have that kind of
Oh,
experience.
that's good. Really, that's great.
Even the Disneyland is very rush area,
Yeah.
but I did my 6 or 7 rides there.
Oh, that's a long time. Then you know it very well now.
Yeah,
Did you go to the Louvre?
yeah. But the infrastructure of Switzerland is very good. You can easily reach by getting trams, buses everywhere. And the people are here are very cooperative to each other.
Yeah.
In the France, they have a kind of eco that belongs to France. Even in the Amsterdam, they are thinking that we are Dutch people.
Really?
Not like that in the city, but in the outskirts.
Yeah.
If you are planning a trip to Zurich, don't miss the Lake Zurich boat cruise and lakeside stroll to Lindt Home of Chocolate. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, comment and subscribe for more travel updates.